Accepting the invitation to take an exclusive first look at the entire museum as we are at a pivotal moment in our history. Reaching our 20th year is a proud milestone for us. But more importantly, it marks a brand new chapter for the Yuchengco Museum. I know many in the room are curious about where we are heading next. The museum is introducing a bold new creative direction. My fellow trustee and director, Ginny Magalosa, will disclose more details when she takes the stage. But even as we look toward these new horizons, we must acknowledge that these next chapters rooted in the spirit and story that have defined this institution. To many in the Central Business District, the Yuchengco Museum is a familiar cultural landmark. But to my family and to me, it is the living and breathing proof of our fathers and grandfathers' dream. To the public, my father, Ambassador Alfonso Yuchengco, wore many hats. He was a businessman who helped build industries, a diplomat who represented the Philippines to China, Japan, and the United Nations, and a dedicated philanthropist. But beneath all of this was the heart of a passionate collector and a lifelong patron of the arts. When my father opened the door of this museum in September 2005, he didn't do it simply to house his private art collection or archive his career. He established the Yuchengco Museum with a specific forward-thinking purpose. He wanted it to be a forum, not just a temple. He envisioned a dynamic space that would foster public appreciation for art, bridge cultures, and celebrate the depths of Filipino and Sino-Filipino visual expressions. For 20 years, our Board of Trustees and the museum team have dedicated ourselves to keeping that exact dream alive. Carrying that vision forward has been a deeply collaborative effort, and I am immensely grateful to our incredibly involved trustees. Some of them are here: Ginny Magalosa, Dr. Jimmy Layas, former Prime Minister Cesar Virata, Miss Kim Camacho, Teresita Angsi, Attorney Gia Santos, Architect Don Lichalco, Paula Bayo, for keeping the museum active and alive. Today, and also Dr. Bea for that.